Hey there, are you waking late today due to alarm not ringing on iPhone? You are not alone. For few days there are several users facing the same issues. In this video we will diving into the reason why your alarm might not working and showing you possibly how to fix it. So hit that subscribe button to get ready wake up on time. For some Apple expert, it is the reason behind the clock application and attention hour features. So it is suggested to turn off attention hour features until the next update. To turn it off, go to settings, then face ID and passcode, and turn off attention hour features. Otherwise you can use any third party alarm clock. That's all. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.